Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Versus Crew. Happy Independence Day to all. Today we are here with our new video on event of Independence Day. Versus Crew pays tribute to all the Indian freedom fighters who made our freedom successful. Today, our video is not on the Indian freedom fighters but on those people who help India to develop from inside by providing enormous jobs to Indians. They made India fly high in today's world. Yes, we are talking about our great Indian entrepreneurs. So, without wasting much time, let's begin. Before beginning the video, I would like to thank all my friends who helped me to make this video. Everybody, thanks a lot.
Uday Kotak is an Indian billionaire banker and the executive vice chairman and managing director of Kotak Mahindra Bank. In early 1980s, while India was still a closed economy and economic growth was muted, Kotak decided to start out on his own. He is the most successful banker of India and made India proud to his work, having net worth of 1140 crores US dollars.
Gautam Shantilal Adani is an Indian billionaire industrialist who is the chairman and founder of the Adani Group, an Ahmedabad-based multinational businessman involved in port development and operation in India. He is a key successful businessman who have taken forward India's name through his plans, having net worth of 1,370 crore US dollars.
Shiv Nadar is an Indian billionaire industrialist and philanthropist. He is the founder and chairman of HCL Technologies Limited and the Shiv Nadar Foundation. Nadar founded HCL in the mid 1970s and transformed the IT hardware company into an IT enterprise over the next 3 decades by constantly reinventing his company's focus. Nadar is the key successful Indian IT business owner, having net worth of 1440 crores US dollar.
Radhakrishnan S. Dhamani is an Indian billionaire investor, businessman, and a founder of D-Mart. As February 22, Dhamani is the second richest person in India. He also manages his portfolio through his investment firm, Brightening Star Investment Limited. This Indian proud businessman is also known as the fastest person to be in top 10 list, having net worth 1530 crores US dollars.
Lakshmi Nivas Mittal is an Indian steel magnate based in the United Kingdom. He is the chairman and CEO of Adisaral Mittal, the world's largest steel making company. Mittal owns 38% of Adisaral Mittal and holds 20% stake in Queen's Park Rangers FC. India is proud for his works. He is the first Indian to name in top 10 richest person of the world. His successful plans and visions made India again proud, having net worth of 1050 crore US dollars.
Azim Premji is an Indian business tycoon, investor, engineer, and philanthropist who is the chairman of Wipro Limited. He is informally known as the Caesar of the Indian IT industry. He is also the father of the Indian IT industry. India is proud of its knowledge and vision towards Made in India a better in technology, having net worth of 660 crore US dollar.
Ratan Naval Tata, also known as Ratan Tata, is an Indian industrialist, investor, philanthropist, and the former chairperson of Tata and Sons. After his graduation from Cornell University in architecture, structural engineering, and his graduation from Harvard with a degree of management program, he joined his family business and gave up the job offer from IBM. He joined Tata Steels as a general employee and worked hard and got promoted one day to the post of the chairperson of the company. Tata Group of companies has acquired major divisions like Jaguar, Land Rover, Tetley, Cordus in India and has turned the company into a worldwide business. Today, the net worth of Tata is nearly 20 billion US dollars.
Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is an Indian billionaire business magnate and the chairman, managing director, and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited, a Fortune Global 500 company and India's most valuable company by market value. He is currently the richest man in Asia with the net worth of 8,160 crores US dollar. And as of recent updates, he is listed on Forbes as the fifth richest person in the world. He is the most prouded businessman of India as well as the world. The person made India fly high in business fight in pandemic situation too. All Indians are proud of his works, plans, ideas and vision. Comment your views on this video. Put a like on the like button. Share with your friends and relatives. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you everybody.